Attending a graduate school open house is really important to understand if that university is the right fit, because you're going to be with us for several years, and we want to make sure that you're getting the most out of your education and the experiences that you have here are valuable.
You come to Barry University because you want to be known. You want the opportunity to be heard. You want to know that everything that you're doing here matters for your own professional growth, but also for the well-being of society. We do that better than all schools. You come to Barry University because it is a place that is like family.
I moved here from California not knowing about Barry University, and I attended Barry University, and the first thing I noticed was how much of a homey feel it is. It's not too big where you don't know anybody, but at the same time, there's always someone to meet.
The setting is very small, the classes are small, so you become close with your classmates, which is wonderful too. You're kind of all in it together. You're all in it together, and your professors are very available and very willing to help.
As a student, you also get treated with so much respect, and that you do have rights and you do have a voice, and that you have autonomy, and you can advocate even for yourself as students.
So we try to be as flexible as we possibly can, because adults are juggling so many different things, and we want you to be able to accomplish goals that you have for yourself so you can move on to the next chapter that life has for you.
Wanted to check out all of the programs that they have, and I do like the fact that they have weekend programs, so it works for a person like me that works and that has a busy schedule. I really like it. Everybody's so nice, approachable. It's just nice and intimate and warm.
When a prospective student leaves an open house, they should feel excited about Barry University. They should have gotten a chance to talk to a faculty, perhaps a current student, go on a campus tour, meet with admissions to understand what their next steps are. So when they leave, they should have a clear understanding of what they need to do to become a Barry University student.
It feels like they actually care about you, whether you're a prospective student or you're a current student. Yeah, I love it. It's a really cool environment to be in.
Our goal is to support your growth. Our goal is to ensure that you meet and you exceed where you want to go with your career. Social work, business, nursing, law, podiatric medicine, they're all waiting for you here.